had been seeing this carpenter bee several times when I've been out watering the garden. So this time I decided to go get my camera and capture what she was doing. I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control. 'Cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying. You better shape up, 'cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. You better shape up, you better understand. To my heart I must be true. Nothing left for me to do. Come on now, you hang out here every day. Where'd you go? You're the one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey. The one that I want. Ooh, 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 honey. The one that I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The one I need. Oh, yes, indeed. If you're filled with affection, you're too shy to convey. Meditate in my direction. Feel your way. 'Cause I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone. Is it dessert time? Or is it still dinner? You are huge. Let me get close. Oops, where are you going? Could you still come on that front? You're making me nervous. Where'd you go? Ah, I lost you. Ah! Ooh! Now you're over here. I'm your boogeyman, that's what I am. I'm here to do whatever I can. Be it early morning, late afternoon, or at midnight, it's never too soon. I got 2 tickets to paradise. Pack your bags, we'll leave tonight. I got 2 tickets to paradise. Snack, snack, snack. Woo, woo, woo. Who can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, cover it with chocolate and a miracle or two? The Candyman can, 'cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good. Who can take a rainbow and wrap it in a sign, soak it in the sun and make a groovy lemon pie? The Candyman can, 'cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good. Oh, you can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. See that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Friday night and the lights are low, looking out for a place to go, where they play the right music, get in the swing. You can come to look for a king. Now I'm queen of the mountain. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh yeah, sweet nectar. Look at my cute face. Ooh, I need a boost. Help me. I look like I have goggles on. Look into my eyes. Ooh, ride 'em, cowboy.
I went outside to hang up my clothes and Ariel's back, so I had to come get my camera. Come on, let's go see if we can video her.
It's been 2.5 weeks since I was able to capture her on video, so I'm so happy that I got her today. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, there she is. Jeremiah was a bullfrog, was a good friend of mine. I never understood a single word he said, but I helped him drink his wine, and he always had some mighty fine wine, singing joy to the world, all the boys and girls, joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me.
a good shot of you. Ooh, you're hungry today. You're staying still.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for. You're everything I need. You are so beautiful to me. Oh my goodness, you're hungry. I'm finally getting you good on video. Oh, that's it? Did you go over here really quick? Whew. Where you going? You almost went on me. You scared me. Alright, toodles. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze. Keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Goodbye, all my lovely friends. Thanks for watching my adventure. This is Ariel the Carpenter Bee, out.